Here I have MGMS6 and let me show you how to enable or disable the rear driving assist. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then you need to find and select the car icon located at the bottom of the screen, as you can see right here. Now you've got access to the following menu. So let's use here the upper bar, upper menu, and change tab from driving control to the MGpilot. Now you need to scroll. Let's scroll far enough to select here the rear driving assist, as you can see right here. Let's read the information about it. So the rear drive assist system includes blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross traffic alert, door opening warning, and rear collision warning. If you would like to still disable it, you can do this just by using the switcher, tap confirm, and as you can see, it will disable all of the following features that I read previously, or you can enable the rear driving assist, and now you can use the blind spot detection, lane change assist, rear cross assist, and others. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.